Rape, assault, kidnapping, and murder are a lot of what we hear about on the news. Even if crime rates stay steady, paranoia is at a high level. With all the technology giving criminals a new way to reach us, we wanted to create a technology that would give peace of mind and proactive communication to our users and help prevent them from being a victim of a personal safety crime. In Maslow's hierarchy of needs, the second most important layer is the need to feel safe. We created a personal safety app, The Guardian, that has features such as day scheduling that sends out an alert if you don't make it to a designated location on time, a daily log to document your interactions, police scanner and codes so you know what's going on in the area, a panic alarm that will sound and alert others around you, a panic code that sends out an SOS if something were to happen to you, medical emergency information just in case a medical emergency were to happen and what someone would have to do to help you. And our most unique feature is a social posting app where people can post things that are going on in the area that they feel may be suspicious or that other community members need to know. We are asking for $300,000 in exchange for 20% stake of our company.
The $300,000 will cover initial startup costs, including third-party developer fees, such as data security and location services. We will charge 99 cents for each download. 30% of each download goes to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Our profit margin after we break even will be 70%, and to break even our first year, we will need 277,000 downloads. Once initial startup costs are covered, updating and maintenance of the app will be roughly 18,000, dropping our break-even to 39,000 downloads. Our projected sales will increase between roughly 5 to 10% each year, which will help us continue to update and improve The Guardian.
For The Guardian to be a success, we have to spend a great amount of time getting to know our primary, secondary, and tertiary markets. Demographically, our primary target market is women, ages ranging from 18 to 30, who lead busy and independent lifestyles. Because of this age group, the majority of our audience will be attending college. Our secondary market is women, ages ranging from 30 to 50, who primarily download this app for their children to use. And lastly, our tertiary market is men, ages ranging from 20 to 40, who purchase this app for either their significant other or for their family. Geographically, our campaign for The Guardian will start in the Midwestern region and expand to the east and west coasts of the United States. As for our competition, there are a few safety apps already in place. One of their advantages is that a good portion of them are free to download. However, the Guardian app encompasses all of these safety features in one convenient location so they can work together as one. Lastly, our overall campaign to introduce this product into society is teaming up with campuses who can use this app to increase safety on their campus. The colleges who team up with us will be given a passcode to give to their students to download, free of charge. The colleges will then pay for the amount of downloaded apps by their students.